Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Jaydah. If you are new here, hello. I create content about lifestyle, travel and business, and today I'll be sharing some travel content with you guys. I'm so excited to finally be out the house again and traveling. So I'm doing a staycation at a Leonardo London City, and I'll be giving you guys a mini tour. If you would like to see the full room tour, make sure that you are subscribed, and I'm currently doing a full staycation vlog, so make sure that you're subscribed and you check out the older travel content to find out the best things to do around the area. So let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, I'm just about to start. Ooh, this is a
It's the nicest room you've ever stayed in.
The walls aren't painted. It has this finishing that I absolutely adore. And then we have this mat. This now brings us into, we have that. We have a two-seater sofa here. We have another lounge chair there. It comes with complimentary water. We have some wall paintings. Here. And then we have London behind of us. Absolutely blown away. This is a breathtaking view of London City. Looking a bit dark now because nighttime is coming. You can see the Shard from here. You can you see the walkie-talkie building? You can see Tower Bridge. So now let me take you guys to the bedroom. The bedroom. This is the bedroom.
Okay, let's go.
Makeup area, TV. We have a closet space. Me again. The lighting is making sense. This lighting is making all the sense. I look gorgeous. That's silly. Girl, you look good. Girl, you look fun. We have a marble. We have a marble. Or granite. We have a shower. And then we have a bathroom. And that. Okay guys, and then we have the bedroom. Let me just close it. So that's the room tour. In 6 minutes. So that's the room tour.
Docks.
Ooh.
It's called St. Catherine's Docks.
Okay, that would be
Plenty
nice.
of terraces and yachts and boats. Quiet.
Is it warm? Is it gonna be warm tomorrow? That would be nice to do.
Yeah, it's quiet. It's by the river, you know. It's also, if you cross the bridge,
Yeah.
on your left you can see some terraces over there. If you prefer to have like a sky bar or something,
Yeah.
go to Sushi Samba or
Which one are the sushi sambas? Okay, the one on Fenchurch Road. Okay, because I've been to Duck and Waffle. I've got that. I'm going to Duck and Waffle next week.
Duck and Waffle.
So I don't want to go
Sushi
to
Samba is underneath.
It's right. I've never been to
Underneath
Sushi Samba.
Or 14 Hills on Fenchurch Street.
Okay, this is a really good location though.
Yeah.
I'm proper impressed. I'm very happy to book this one. Because I thought it would have been the wrong one to book. But this one is nice.
Yeah, it has a view.
I just want to see the Hi, my name is Jaydah. Hi. Hi.
House simple